Hello and welcome to As the Wheels Turn. I am your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are Creativeville Concepts, where all the magic happens. So this is a special video for incomplete tutorials. My installations sometimes run into scheduling issues and problems where I can't do a full tutorial for my clients and customers, my DIY folks, and the people who follow my channel. So that's basically what this video is about. So with that said, this is a incomplete tutorial on a 2013 Kia Sportage that I did a Kenwood navigation radio, replacing the factory radio for my customer. He basically wanted a standalone navigation besides using his phone, because sometimes it's just complicated when people are texting you and you're trying to navigate somewhere, especially when you do a lot of traveling. So with all that, guys, sit back and enjoy this somewhat incomplete but complete tutorial. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee. You're at Creativeville Concepts, where all the magic happens. And today I'm working on a neighbor's vehicle. This is a 2013 Kia Sportage, and I will be installing a aftermarket Kenwood radio with the navigation system on it. And you can see the interior right there. I'll be taking out that factory radio, which is a standard CD player. So I have my air compressor on today, guys. When I drove it in my shop today, I found out that his tire pressure, he's got a warning thing on there where he's low in air. And it looks like probably all four tires, but this one I can visibly see that it's a little low. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and top off these tires, which I'll do that for my customers, clients. It doesn't matter. I mean, I got the setup here. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to start pulling this interior apart and see what I'm working with, and I will see you in the next video. Alright guys, making some progress on this 2013 Kia Sportage. As you can see, I got the factory radio pulled out along with the trim bezel. Right, hazard goes right here, and this is your airbag display indicator, which is actually hanging inside the dash. Then I have a part. These are plugs for your radio. This is your passenger airbag display. That'll plug into the new bezel. And this is the plug for the hazard light. That's going to plug in. I've already got that piece connected to the new bezel. So I'm getting ready to go in my shop office and do the wiring for this this install. And I haven't decided where I want to mount the microphone. The GPS antenna, I think, will go under the dash there. As far as I can get it up here, I don't think that'll be necessary. Kenwood's they have a pretty good setup to where it connects with the satellites on the dash. I've probably installed, oh Lord, probably over 300, and most of them are in the dash for just different reasons. But yep, if you guys got any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. Again, this is a 2013 Kia Sportage that I'm adding a navigation Kenwood system in. All right guys, welcome back. So this is the last video installation of this 2013 Kia Sportage. As you can see, I have the dash back together. The Kenwood navigation radio is installed. Steering wheel controls connected. Got your volume right there. All right.
All his tires are actually inflated to the spec. Shows 51 pounds of pressure. PSI on the tires, I put it at 50. So his tire warning light should go out as soon as I crank it up. I'm getting ready to call the customer to come pick it up. So as you can see, a very clean install. Word of advice, guys, Kias, Hyundais, numerous vehicles, if they've never been, these panels never been taken off at all, some are tighter than others, so proceed with caution using your nylon pry tools. You'll probably need 2 for this particular model. I had to use 2 of them. Some of them come apart easy, some don't, but make sure that you are handling these things with care, because once you break something, you break it, you buy it. That motto is always going to be relevant. So with that said, navigation is ready to go, and let's go back and see where we're at. Oh, we got 4 bars in the garage. Okay, so the GPS antenna that I connected to this thing is mounted right here in the center, maybe 2 clicks to the left of the steering wheel. Plenty enough so when he pulls this thing out, it's going to be 5 bars. So that is more than sufficient. Now it has 5. So these things, these navigation units, it's a Garmin built in this one, of course. Garmin has had a contract with Kenwood for probably over 13 years now. So if you get their top of the line Kenwood units, they will come with a Garmin system built in it, and I think they work a little bit differently than the separate Garmin that you can get that you mount on the windshield or your dashboard or something like that. So but anyway, you can call Garmin or just do some research on it and find that out, because I don't have all the information on it. So but anyway, pretty much a clean install. Like I mentioned, this is an older model Kenwood that I had in my inventory, and it's a very good unit. It's been updated. The only thing that I didn't do, that I let my customer know, was that if he wants the maps updated, he can pay for it. They're around $59, $69. Sometimes Garmin has they run specials sometimes, so it's really hard to say where they're at right now. But the main roads are always inside the system, but the updates will pretty much give you the current roads or different things. That's but anyway, if you guys, again, if you have any concerns, any questions about this install. All right, guys, time to wrap up this video. Hope all is well with you guys. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. I don't mention that in all my videos, but you guys can help me out. And again, if you have any questions, comments, I'll always reply back to you guys. So you guys take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.